Hey guys, I have another Wera screwdriver. So this will be the limited edition Wera Red Bull. I like the colors red and dark blue or navy. So this will be 8 pieces, 7 screwdrivers and 1 navy blue rag. Yep. So you have 4 Phillips and 3 flatheads. It's not focused, so let me try to focus this. Right, okay, let's have a look inside. So I got this about $85 Australian dollars. Right, okay, so you'll find this navy rag, which is my favorite color. As usual, you can put this micro screwdrivers, 6 slots and 7 slots for the larger screwdrivers. Right, okay. And also you still have the label Red Bull Racing and Wera collaborations. And let's have a look. And they don't give you stickers. Right. So inside you have this bubble bag and 7 screwdrivers. Wow, they are Lasertip, isn't it? Yeah. They're all Lasertip. Right, okay. Interesting. Let me get this fillet first and then I'll get the flatheads after. You got the 4 Phillips. Right, okay. So they are being the size of 1, 2, 1 and 2, BZ 2 and BZ1, BZ1 and BZ2 Lasertip. And let's have a look this one. Even it says Lasertip on this metal as well. You got 2 and I have another one. 2 this Phillips. So this is being the size PH 1 and 2. You got the Lasertip and also Lasertip as well. don't know if you can see it, but like I'm trying to focus on this. So here you go, 4 Phillips and 3 flat heads. So let's check the size. This is 5.5, sorry, 5.5. This one is 6.5, and this one is 3, I think. Yeah, 3. Can't really see it. Yeah, this one is 3.5. Right. And also really nice in coal materials. I think this one will be last really long. Yep, they do have this engraving for this Lasertip as well. This is 1 and 2, and this one is the third one, Lasertip, just right there. Okay, let's test this into the rack. I guess to make it easier, I just put this outside, the smallest one, and the last one I'll put on the back. Or maybe like I'll put everything. Yeah, I was like thinking, but I don't think this one will fit. Here you go, the Wera Red Bull, red and navy colors. I really like it. Well, I mean, I have the VDE screwdrivers, but like since I like the color and I got a good price, so okay, why not, I'm getting this as well. This is really good. I'm so happy to own it. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.